Hi, my dear viewers. Hope all of you are well. Today, also, as usual, I have brought an amazing topic. Let's talk on that. Once there was a boy, he was sent to abroad to get a higher education. But once he come back from abroad, he raised a question to his father that still I am Muslim, no doubt, but I have three questions stuck in my mind. I didn't get a satisfactory answer from anyone. I would like to get a satisfactory answer from someone. If not so, I will not fall in the Islam. The father was worried with this boy. Then brought, he was brought to a several Islamic scholar to get a satisfactory answer from these three questions. But every Islamic scholar was failed to give a satisfactory answers or appropriate answers of these three questions. Finally, the father, he found a great Islamic scholar in his village. Then the boy, he was brought to this Islamic scholar. Then that Islamic scholar, he heard everything, and he said, Inshallah, Inshallah, I will try my best to give a satisfactory answer and appropriate answer of those three questions, Inshallah. What was the questions? The first questions of that boy: God existence. Still I didn't get an existence of God. So why should I believe on that? Then Islamic scholar, he said, definitely I will try to give you, my friend, my boy, please come and sit in front of me. Then once this boy, he sit in front of this Islamic scholar. That uh, uh, Islamic scholar give a tight slap on his cheek. Then all the people surrounding of that boy and Islamic scholar, they were really shocked. Why Islamic scholar give a slap on his cheek? Also, that boy, he asked, what was the purpose to give a slap on my cheek? Oh, I got it. You don't know the answer. That's why you want to distract me and you want to manipulate me through your slap. But I was sure I will not get an answer from you as well. Islamic scholar give a good reply. My dear friend, that was my first answer from your questions. How is it? Tell me, how is it? How can you give an answer through your slap? How is it? Didn't get it? No, how? Explain. Okay, let's explain. You are talking about the existence you didn't see, but do you feel my slap? Slap pain? Yes, definitely I am feeling the pain of the slap. Okay, my friend. But is there safe of your pain? That young boy replied, no, there was no any safe. That is the first answer of mine. You raised the existence or safe of Allah. The same this way, I have given you a tight slap on your cheek as only you were feeling the pain of that slap, and you can feel also the shape of slap. This is how the Muslim Ummah feel and amuse the safe, assume the safe, assume the safe of God existence. Isn't it? The boy was really satisfied with this answer. Then what was the second question? The second question was fortunate or fate. How it is defined? How it is defined with taqdeer? The Islamic scholar also give a good answer through Islam as well. How? My dear friend, Did you feel pain on your slap, on your cheek? Yeah, definitely. I am getting pain. Still is exist on my cheek. Do you feel or do you think that I will give also second slap on your another cheek? How? Still it's not cured my the second cured my first pain from your slap. And how can I think that you will also give a second slap on my another cheek? And how can you think as well? How can I think as well? So the Islamic scholar give a good reply. That is the my second answer. That as you do not feel or do not dream or do not think that I will not give also the second slap on your another cheek, that is called fate, and that is the Islam uh, belief on that, and this is how defined the takdir. That is the satisfactory answer of that boy. The third question's answer. The third question. What are the third questions? The devil which is created. The devil which is created. The devil which is created by fire. So, in the hereafter, how the devil which is created by fire, and again the devil will be fall into the hellfire to be burned. How? How can fire, hellfire can also can burn also the fire? How is it possible? Then the Islamic scholar give a good reply on that answer. As you, as my hand, as my hand made of flesh and blood, I have given you a tight slap on your cheek. Still that is existent. Still you are feeling the pain. You are feeling the pain. The both of them are made of flesh and blood. The same this way. If that is possible, my hand can you give a pain which are made of with same articles, with same equipments. So Allah can do each and everything. Allah can do anything. Allah can do anything. So how not a fire cannot be burned with a fire? That is the third answer of the third questions. My dear viewers, I hope all of you uh, like this, like those three answer of that Islamic scholar. And definitely if this kind of questions raised up by someone, and we will try also give a good reply on those people who will be raising this kind of questions. My dear viewers, hope all of you like that story, and definitely you will get a second update, another update, new updates with new amazing topic. And if you want to get those, definitely before that you have to subscribe my channel Najmat Al Masa. And if you have any comments, definitely you have to put some comments in a comment box. Thank you so much. Thank you.